How to download and install Detroit Become Human on laptop or PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can download the Detroit Become Human application onto your device. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to download the Detroit Become Human, you need the Steam application downloaded on your device. That's where we find this application. So in order to download the Steam application, you may just simply open up a Chrome browser and search for Steam, and after that just simply install it. After the installation is complete, you will be able to sign in. After signing in, you just need to simply come over to the Steam application, and there just simply search for Detroit Become Human. You can easily find the search bar. You just need to type in Detroit Become Human. So here you may just go to storage. This is the interface you will be seeing when you first open the app or the platform. After that, just type in Detroit Become Human and wait for it to be loaded. So in order to download that application, there is certain USD amount that you need to pay in order to download it onto your laptop. So you may just simply tap on download. You can see it's about $29.99 USD that you need to pay. So that's how you basically download Detroit Become Human into your laptop. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.